remember .m file is same editor file, same we call it as a script file. .m file name is very popular in Matlab, so you can use .m extension here. Program1.m. So we are going to create our first .m file here. So I have just given the path to D Mat Online Program 1. It is asking that this is not in current folder. This is not in current folder. So what you can do, you can change the folder and go to your particular drive and folder, and this is your program1_.m. So as you run it, it will give you what? It will give you response answer on your command window. See, this is your command window. Program1, file name, A is equals to 100, B is equals to 34.2, and addition is here. So command window is always used to get the answers, used to get the errors. But if you want to write big codes, you can go with the editor window only. You cannot write big codes on command window because you cannot edit them if you want to edit them. Okay, so how you can edit in editor window? You can put a semicolon and suppress your output, and like this. Okay, so this is how you can run your program again. And see, no answer on the command window because I have suppressed it in under editor window only. Where is my answer now? So my answer is in workspace. If you want to go there, you can see C is equals to this. And please mention, let me mention that semicolon will not show your answer on the command window. It will save your answer on workspace. And this is how you can use your editor window, which is very much popular in Matlab. So we are going to do some more programs in editor window. Next, we'll jump over the next program. All right, so next program you can take from here also. Just click on plus sign, or you can take from your palette also, new script. So this is my new script. You can rename it after your coding. Whenever you start running it, it will ask you to rename your editor window. So, okay. So next program is how can I concatenate my matrix? Concatenate my matrix. How can I concatenate? I'm going to use cat function for that. So before using cat function, I can enter my matrix. A is equals to, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, this is my matrix. I'm suppressing it under editor window. Okay, if you don't put this semicolon, what the editor window will show you this red line. Go to that red line, take your cursor, terminate the statement with the semicolon to suppress the output within the script. So if you want to suppress your output within the script, put semicolon. Otherwise, you can see the result on command window as well. Okay, this is my A matrix. This is my B matrix. Let me enter 2, 3, 4, semicolon, 5, 6, and 7, semicolon, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, this is my second. If I want to concatenate horizontally, how can I do it? I can just put C is equals to square bracket A comma B. So let us just see the horizontal concatenation here. Program underscore 2 underscore 2 dot mat. Okay, this is horizontal concatenation. This is how you can add your data, like A I'm repeating, B here I'm repeating. So run it again, you'll get concatenated horizontal data. Okay, so how can you make it vertically concatenated? Just put semi-comma and run your window. This is vertical concatenation. This is how you can use again B, again A concatenation. So you can see the size of your latest. This is 12 cross 3 is the size showing up here also, and you can use size function to get the size of C. It's 12 cross 3. So this is how you can do the concatenation in Matlab, horizontal and vertical. Let us just make some multi-dimensional arrays. Multi-dimensional arrays like 2D or 3D arrays. How can we make them in Matlab? Let me take one matrix here. 3 semi-comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 semi-comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, this is my A matrix, and I want to create one more matrix, but in other dimension, like in second dimension. How would I write it? I would write A colon comma 2, second dimension. For second dimension, I'm mentioning this 2 and equal to some other values like 1 4 7. Any values I'm taking, random values. Okay, it should be same dimension. The size of the matrix, or in the second dimension, it should be same. So I'm taking this. Okay, how can you call it? You can call A in the end without semicolon, without anything. This is for your answer. So let us just give name program underscore 3. So this is the program 3. First dimension is this, second dimension is this, and see if I increase the dimension, I am taking this, copying this matrix, and I'm writing A colon 3 equals to, I am pasting my one more dimension, third dimension. See, this is the third dimension of my matrix A. Okay, program 3, first dimension, second dimension, and third dimension. This is how you can create the multi-dimensional matrices in your Matlab within the editor window. You can do all this work in your command window as well, but you cannot do changes. If you want to change in line number 3, you need to repeat 1 and 2, and then you need to write 3 with the upgraded value. Okay, so this is little bit. Okay, let us use concatenation function here. I am using cat function here. A is equals to cat. It's 3. I'm using third dimension with A, comma, my third dimensional matrix could be this. Okay. So why it is using this red line? Red line is for error. Okay, I'm removing this extra square bracket, and I'm putting semicolon over here. So again, you can use CLC here and clear all to clear my workspace, and now you can run your new program here. See, these are 3 dimensions, 3 cross 3 cross 3 means I have created 3 cross 3 cross 3 three-dimensional A matrix by using cat function. Okay, you can use it with the colon, this kind of pattern also. You can use cat function also. This is predefined function. Yeah, you just mention it here in what dimension now you're going to work with A, and what is the new value. This is your cat function here. All right, so this is how you can create multi-dimensional matrices. And now let us just jump over the conditional statements. This leads you to the programming. And before starting programming, why don't we do some questions on data types, because we have learned data types also. So let us do some work with the data types also. Okay, before starting my programming part, I want you to do some practice work on the data types. All right, okay, then let me open my data types questions. So this is my data types question sheet. So now I'm going to start with the first question. Create a single character and a single string. Also check their attribute using whos. I think we have discussed whos in our lecture also. So A is equals to any character. I am writing, let's say C, and semi-comma. B is equals to, I am writing anything like Matlab, and semi-comma to suppress my output by using whos A, B. So they are just showing me A is 1 cross 1 and it is taking 2 bytes with the class of character, and B, it's taking 1 cross 6. The length is 1 cross 6 here, and it is taking 12 bytes, and it is character by class. Okay, so the next question is create the structure named database with the field name string. It will be string, and course, alphanumeric, score, array. Add 2 more entities to make it 1 cross 3 structure. Access the different entities and define as defined in structures. So okay, let us make one structure called database. Database as a structure is equals to, not equals to, dot. So first field name is name equal to maybe a string. Let's say Jack is the name, semi-comma, database dot. Next field was course. Okay, course. So it's course equals to, it should be alphanumeric. I am writing 1 dot, let's say maths database dot. Next was the score. Okay, it should be array. There are scores. So scores equal to, it should be an array. Let's say someone is getting 34, someone is getting 54, someone is getting 45, and so on. You can create the array like this of whatever length you want. So this is my entry. Okay, so I have put 3 fields, name, course, and score with their values. Let us check first what is database now. Call database here, database, S-E-O-O-S-E. Yes. Okay. So these are the fields. These are the values of database. And next, it is saying to add 2 more entities to make it 1x3 structure. Right now, what is the size of this structure? Let us just see. It's 1x1. How can we make it 1x3? We have discussed it when you were using this. Just make it curly braces and add two more entities, Harry or any other name. Let's say Sam, curly braces, and enter. Okay. Why it is continuing entering the statements? Okay, it is entering maybe. The status of Matlab is flashing here. Continue entering statements. Okay, it is in database dot course is equals to, let's say I'm writing 1 maths comma wait maths comma 2 comma English comma third subject is, let's say, science or chemistry or bio or anything, biology. Please make sure that you are putting curly braces on it. So please put curly braces and the semicolon. Okay, now it is giving me error. It is saying me that you cannot write equal to. Oh yes, I cannot write equal to. No, wait. Incorrect use. Instead of equal to, compare entity. No, I'm not comparing it. So this is the wrong method. Basically, it is not taking my values. It is basically thinking that I'm comparing them. So, okay, I have a second option of making 1x3 structure. Which one is the best way to create 1x3 structure? Don't use this kind of like entry in the structure with using dot operator here. What you can use is struct predefined function. I've told you earlier also. So F1 again, okay, let me copy this thing here. F1 equal to paste it. No, again, it's going to give me a problem. What we have discussed in last lecture. If you want to come out, I have just pressed Control plus C here. By pressing Control plus C, you'll come out from that section, which could be an infinite loop or anything. You'll just come out of that section. Please write F1 as a field name. Name was my field, and value 1 is equals to all these three values. Likewise, okay, again, it is not showing you. Control plus C, why it is hanging out? F2 is equals to, second was course. And value 2 is equals to, let me copy these courses from my above entry. Okay. All right. So likewise, you can enter F3 is equals to scores, and it should be in single quotes. Okay, and value 3 is equals to another array.